Chapter 1. The Power of Your Thoughts. In the chapter, The Power of Your Thoughts, from the book Think Yourself Rich by Joseph Murphy, we delve into the idea that our thoughts have the incredible power to shape our reality. This means that by changing our mindset, we can actually attract wealth and abundance into our lives. Have you ever heard of the saying, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he"? Well, this chapter explores the truth behind this statement. It explains how our thoughts have a direct impact on our experiences and outcomes in life. If we constantly think negative thoughts or focus on lack and scarcity, we are actually attracting more of the same into our lives. On the other hand, if we shift our mindset to one of abundance, positivity, and wealth, we can begin to manifest these things into our reality. So, how exactly do we go about changing our thoughts to attract wealth and abundance? According to Murphy, it all starts with becoming aware of our thoughts and beliefs. We must pay attention to the stories we tell ourselves about money, success, and abundance. Are these stories empowering us or holding us back? By consciously choosing to focus on positive and abundant thoughts, we can begin to reprogram our subconscious mind to attract more of what we desire. Another key concept explored in this chapter is the idea of visualization. By creating a clear mental image of the wealth and abundance we desire, we can actually begin to draw these things towards us. The subconscious mind does not differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. So by visualizing our goals and desires as already achieved, we are sending a powerful message to the universe that we are ready to receive. In conclusion, the power of your thoughts emphasizes the importance of cultivating a positive and abundant mindset in order to attract wealth and abundance into our lives. By becoming aware of our thoughts, beliefs, and visualizations, we can begin to harness the incredible power of our minds to create the life of our dreams. Remember, you have the power to think yourself rich. Chapter 2. Believe in your ability to succeed. In the chapter Believe in Your Ability to Succeed, from the book Think Yourself Rich by Joseph Murphy, the author emphasizes the significance of self-belief and confidence in attaining financial success. Murphy highlights the power of having a positive mindset and trusting in your own capabilities to overcome challenges and achieve your financial goals. Believing in yourself is crucial when it comes to achieving success in any aspect of life, including finances. If you doubt your abilities or constantly worry about failing, it can hold you back from reaching your full potential. On the other hand, having faith in yourself and your skills can boost your confidence and motivation, making it easier to tackle obstacles along the way. When you believe in your ability to succeed, you are more likely to take risks and pursue opportunities that can lead to financial growth. You become more resilient in the face of setbacks, knowing that you have what it takes to bounce back and keep moving forward. This positive attitude can attract abundance and prosperity into your life, as your thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape your reality. Moreover, self-belief can help you stay focused on your goals and remain committed to your financial success. When you trust in yourself, you are less likely to be swayed by external factors or negative influences that may try to derail your progress. Instead, you are able to stay true to your vision and work towards achieving your dreams with determination and perseverance. In conclusion, the chapter Believe in Your Ability to Succeed underscores the importance of self-belief and confidence in the journey towards financial success. By cultivating a positive mindset and trusting in your own abilities, you can overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and attract abundance into your life. Remember, you have the power to shape your own destiny. So believe in yourself and watch as your financial goals become a reality. Chapter 3. Visualize Your Wealth. In the chapter Visualize Your Wealth from the book Think Yourself Rich by Joseph Murphy, you will learn about the power of visualization in attracting financial prosperity into your life. Visualization is a practice where you imagine yourself living a life of abundance and wealth. By vividly picturing yourself surrounded by wealth and success, you are sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind that this is the reality you want to create. When you visualize your wealth, you are tapping into the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. By focusing on abundance and prosperity, you are aligning your thoughts and feelings with the energy of wealth, making it more likely for opportunities and resources to come your way. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is real and what is imagined, so by consistently visualizing yourself as wealthy, you are programming your mind to seek out and attract the means to make that vision a reality. Visualization can be a powerful tool for manifesting wealth because it helps you to clarify your goals and desires. When you have a clear mental image of the life you want to create, you are more likely to take inspired action towards achieving it. By regularly visualizing yourself living in abundance, you are creating a positive mindset that attracts success and prosperity. To practice visualization, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax and focus your mind. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a situation where you are wealthy and successful. Picture the details of your ideal life, the house you live in, the car you drive, the vacations you take. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that come with living a life of abundance. The more vividly you can imagine this reality, the more powerful the impact will be on your subconscious mind. Remember that visualization is not about wishful thinking or daydreaming. It is a powerful tool for reprogramming your mind and attracting the wealth and success you desire. By consistently visualizing yourself as wealthy and successful, you are setting the stage for financial prosperity to come into your life. So start visualizing your wealth today and watch as the universe conspires to make your dreams a reality. Chapter 4. Affirmations for Financial Success. In this chapter, Joseph Murphy introduces the concept of using affirmations for financial success. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself in order to reprogram your subconscious mind. By consistently affirming wealth and abundance, you can attract more money into your life. Murphy provides readers with a series of affirmations that are designed to help shift your mindset towards prosperity. These affirmations are meant to be repeated daily in order to reinforce the message to your subconscious mind. By doing so, you can begin to change your beliefs and attitudes towards money. One of the key points emphasized in this chapter is the power of your thoughts. Murphy explains that your thoughts have a direct impact on your financial reality. By focusing on abundance and success, you can start to see positive changes in your life. The author also stresses the importance of belief and faith in the process. It's not enough to simply recite the affirmations. You must truly believe in them and have faith that they will manifest in your life. This unwavering belief is what will ultimately attract wealth and success to you. By incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine, you can start to reprogram your mind for financial success. It may take time and effort, but with consistency and dedication, you can begin to see positive changes in your financial situation. In conclusion, the affirmations presented in this chapter are a powerful tool for attracting wealth and abundance into your life. By repeating these positive statements daily and cultivating a belief in their truth, you can begin to shift your mindset towards financial success. Remember, the power lies within you, to create the life of wealth and prosperity that you desire. Chapter 5. Taking Inspired Action. In the chapter Taking Inspired Action, from the book Think Yourself Rich by Joseph Murphy, the author emphasizes the crucial role of taking action in achieving financial success. It is not enough to just think about becoming wealthy. You must also be willing to step out of your comfort zone and actively pursue opportunities that can lead you towards your goals. Murphy encourages readers to be proactive and diligent in their efforts to build wealth. This means being open to new possibilities, taking calculated risks, and putting in the necessary work to see results. It's about seizing the moment and making the most of every opportunity that comes your way. Many people have dreams of financial abundance, but without taking action, those dreams will remain just that, dreams. By taking inspired action, you are setting yourself up for success and moving closer towards your desired financial outcomes. It's important to remember that success doesn't just happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to push yourself beyond your limits. By taking inspired action, you are demonstrating your commitment to your financial goals and showing the universe that you are ready to receive abundance in return. So don't be afraid to take that leap of faith, to try something new, or to work harder than you ever have before. By taking inspired action, you are setting yourself on the path to financial prosperity and creating the life you truly desire. In conclusion, the chapter Taking Inspired Action serves as a reminder that thinking yourself rich is only the first step. To truly manifest wealth and abundance in your life, you must be willing to take action, seize opportunities, and work diligently towards your financial goals. By doing so, you are paving the way for a future filled with prosperity and success. Chapter 6. Developing a Prosperity Mindset. In the chapter Developing a Prosperity Mindset, from the book Think Yourself Rich by Joseph Murphy, the author delves into the crucial mindset and attitude needed for achieving financial success. Murphy emphasizes the significance of gratitude, optimism, and abundance thinking in attracting wealth and opportunities. Gratitude plays a key role in creating a positive mindset. By being grateful for what we already have, we open ourselves up to receiving more blessings in our lives. This shift in perspective allows us to focus on abundance rather than scarcity, which in turn attracts more abundance into our lives. Optimism is another important factor in developing a prosperity mindset. By maintaining a positive outlook and believing in our ability to achieve financial success, we set ourselves up for success. Optimism helps us to see opportunities where others may only see obstacles, and it gives us the confidence to take risks and pursue our goals. Abundance thinking is the belief that there is more than enough wealth and opportunities to go around. When we adopt an abundance mindset, we let go of feelings of lack and limitation, and instead focus on the infinite possibilities available to us. This mindset allows us to attract wealth and abundance into our lives as we become open to receiving the abundance that the universe has to offer. By cultivating gratitude, optimism, and abundance thinking, we can shift our mindset towards prosperity and set ourselves on the path to financial success. These qualities not only attract wealth and opportunities into our lives, but also help us to overcome challenges and setbacks along the way. Developing a prosperity mindset is a powerful tool that can help us achieve our financial goals and create the life of abundance and fulfillment that we desire. Chapter 7. Overcoming Limiting Beliefs. In the chapter Overcoming Limiting Beliefs, from the book Think Yourself Rich by Joseph Murphy, the author discusses how our beliefs and thoughts can impact our financial success. Many of us have beliefs that hold us back from reaching our full potential. These beliefs can be things like, "I'm not good with money," or "I'll never be wealthy." These negative thought patterns can create a self-fulfilling prophecy where we continue to struggle financially because we believe we can't succeed. The author encourages readers to identify these limiting beliefs and challenge them. By becoming aware of the thoughts that are holding us back, we can begin to change them. This involves replacing negative beliefs with positive affirmations, such as, "I am capable of achieving financial success," or "I deserve to be wealthy." It's important to remember that our beliefs are not set in stone. We have the power to change them and create a more empowering mindset. By shifting our thoughts from limiting beliefs to empowering beliefs, we can open ourselves up to new opportunities and financial abundance. One strategy the author suggests is visualization. By imagining ourselves as successful and wealthy, we can begin to reprogram our subconscious mind to attract more positive experiences. This can help us overcome limiting beliefs and create a more prosperous future. Overall, the chapter Overcoming Limiting Beliefs offers valuable insights into how our mindset can impact our financial success. By challenging negative thought patterns and replacing them with empowering beliefs, we can unlock our full potential and achieve our goals. It's a reminder that our thoughts have power, and by harnessing that power, we can think ourselves rich. Chapter 8. Practical Steps to Financial Freedom. In this final chapter of Think Yourself Rich by Joseph Murphy, we are provided with practical steps to achieve financial freedom. It emphasizes the importance of budgeting, saving, investing, and creating multiple streams of income to build long-term wealth. Budgeting is a crucial first step towards financial freedom. By creating a budget, you can track your expenses, prioritize your spending, and ensure that you are living within your means. This can help you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and save more money. Saving is another key component of financial freedom. Setting aside a portion of your income regularly can help you build an emergency fund, save for big purchases, and invest for the future. It is important to make saving a priority and treat it as a non-negotiable expense. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. By investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets, you can earn passive income and achieve financial independence. It is important to educate yourself about different investment options and seek advice from financial experts to make informed decisions. Creating multiple streams of income is a strategy that can help you build wealth more quickly. By diversifying your sources of income, you can protect yourself against economic downturns and increase your earning potential. This can include starting a side business, freelancing, investing in rental properties, or taking on part-time work. By following these practical tips and strategies, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving financial freedom. Remember that building wealth takes time and discipline, but with perseverance and determination, you can create a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones.